Michigan. Temperatures were between 77 and 82 degrees. Encodina, it will mostly... Warning for southwestern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan until 2:45 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitmore Lake, Oregon, 7 miles south of Brighton, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near South Lyon at around 2 p.m. Brighton around 2:05 p.m. Milford around 2:15 p.m. Heartland around 2:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Lakeland, White Lake, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Chilson, Delhi Hills, New Hudson, Martin Hills, and Wixom. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Livingston, Oakland, and Washtenaw. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Lows in the upper 60s. Here is severe thunderstorm watch number 421, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Acosta, Montcalm, and Osceola. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. With partly cloudy with a temperature of 54, mostly cloudy. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calwoon County in south-central Michigan, Ionia County in south-central Michigan, Osceola County in central Michigan, East County in south-central Michigan, Acosta County in central Michigan, Montcalm County in central Michigan, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kokomish to near Reed City to near Rockford to Middleville to Portage, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ionia, Big Rapids, Charlotte, Albion, Greenville, Marshall, Belding, Battle Creek, Portland, Everett, Stanton, Reed City, Lake Odessa, Howard City, Homer, Ceramic, Bellevue, Edmore, Lakeview, Marion. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 9. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in south-central Michigan, East County in south-central Michigan, Gratiot County in central Michigan, Isabella County in central Michigan, Blair County in central Michigan, Clinton County in south-central Michigan, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles south of Mitchell State Park to near Canadian Lakes to 6 miles east of Greenville to near National, 5 miles west of Union City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, Jackson, Mount Pleasant, Alma, Mason, St. John's, Clare, Ithaca, East Lansing, St. Louis, Williamston, Leslie, Shepherd, Breckenridge, Stockbridge, Brooklyn, Grass Lake, Elsie, Harwell, Rosebush. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Conditions around the has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bay County in southeastern Michigan, Saginaw County in southeastern Michigan, Midland County in southeastern Michigan until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 11:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rosebush to near Shepherd to near St. John's, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oil City around 11:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coleman around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sedford around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Marion Springs around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Midland, Event Hill and Oakley around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chesapeake and St. Charles around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coquitlam, Bentley and Linwood around 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Piconio around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Carrollton, Garfield, Arthur, Fenworth, Crump, Jarrah, Buena Vista Township, Indiantown, Bombay, and Hemlock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. At 9:20. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station KP. Warning for inner and outer Saginaw Bay until 1:30 a.m. At 11:57 p.m., gusty showers were located along a line extending from 27 nautical miles west of Piconio to 20 nautical miles west of Linwood to 33 nautical miles southwest of the mouth of the Saginaw River, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Showers will be near Bay City, Liberty Harbor, the mouth of the Saginaw River, and Piconio around 12:30 a.m. Quantity around 12:45 a.m. Seba will hit Crowley Shoals around 12:55 a.m. Bayport around 1 a.m. Kingsville around 1:10 a.m. Port Austin around 1:25 a.m. Other locations impacted by showers include Bayport. Move to Safe Harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Lower Michigan and Calwoon, rain is falling with a temperature of 73. And the National Weather. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, Whitmore County in southeastern Michigan until 1 a.m. At 12:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Elsie to near Livingston to near Vanderkirk Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Saturday night, severe thunderstorms will be near Henderson around 12:10 a.m. Fowlerville around 12:15 a.m. Howell, New Lothrop, and Oak Grove around 12:25 a.m. Manchester and Montrose around 12:30 a.m. Flushing and Brighton around 12:35 a.m. Parkland, Clio, Mount Morris and Beecher around 12:40 a.m. Ann Arbor, Flint, Salem and Crossroads Village around 12:45 a.m. Milford and Brighton around 12:50 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Whitmore, Plainfield, Brighton, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Mill Hills, Pleasant Lake, Rose Center, and Pinckney State Recreation Area. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Genesee, Livingston, Oakland, Shiawassee, and Washtenaw. Secured object. The national warnings to nearly 59. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Lightning can strike. Showers will be near. They intend to Liberty Harbor, the mouth of the Saginaw River, and Victoria around 12:30 a.m. Quantity around 12:45.
The National Weather Service in the Calwoon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Portland County in southeastern Michigan, Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, Genesee County in southeastern Michigan, Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:02 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Elsie to New Williamston to near Van Wert Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Henderson around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fowlerville around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Howell, New Lothrop, and Oak Grove around 12:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Manchester and Montrose around 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flushing and Brighton around 12:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Parkland, Clio, Mount Morris, and Beecher around 12:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ann Arbor, Flint, Salem, and Crossroads Village around 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford and Brighton around 12:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Whitmore, Plainfield, Brighton, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Mill Hills, Pleasant Lake.
Miles per hour. The storms which can precipitation 30%. Thursday, partly cloudy with a 5% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Warning for outer Saginaw Bay, near shore and open waters from Port Austin to Harbor Beach, Michigan, until 2:15 a.m. At 1:29 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southeast of Sable Point to 9 nautical miles north of Case Hill to 6 nautical miles southwest of Port Austin, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Port Austin around 1:40 a.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The nearshore Saginaw Bay, light near Saginaw Bay. The wind was south at 10 knots, gusting to 12. Southwest at 8 knots, gusting to 10. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch number 423, effective until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for 1 foot. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan. Wind was out at 8.com, gusting to 10. Remember, as a severe thunderstorm watch, regional conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage at 21 in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain temperature for rapidly changing weather conditions. for later state for the possible warning in Michigan. Listening to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. We're Livingston, Montreal, Washington, Wayne, Calwoon, and Monroe counties. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Gratiot County in central Michigan, northeastern Ionia County in south central Michigan, northern Clinton County in south central Michigan, southeastern Montcalm County in central Michigan, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Carson City, or 11 miles northeast of Ionia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Carson City around 2:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Ithaca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Saturday night, mostly clear. Sunday, mostly severe. Opportunities. Winds up to 10 miles per hour. Cars driving. Showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Other locations will have the showers and thunderstorms, including because around the for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Precipitation 30%. Thanks for listening to our weather report. The country leading 30 flows and the transmitting on a frequency of 1.525 megahertz. Opportunity. Central Michigan. Federal communications and local authorities to keep monitoring area weather emergency by the National Weather Service.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this is an actual emergency, an initial message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required. Warning. Until then, it's not the cloudy and mostly cloudy tonight and midnight showers. Down to 73 for Thursday, mostly cloudy, but 45 miles per hour. Mostly sunny skies, still a chance of heavy showers, but the light not nearly as much.
Shoals and outer Sacramento. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 426, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Fort Mill, Michigan, 16. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later safe and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. We're Livingston, Montreal, Washington, Wayne, Lenawee, and Monroe counties. West from 2 p.m. this afternoon to 2 p.m. Northeastern Ionia and southeastern Montana may cause illnesses to occur. The severe thunderstorm has moved out of the warning area. Thunderstorms over the water. The warning and areas affected include inner and outer Saginaw Bay due to a temperature of 75. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 86 at Copina and 84 at Gusts.
At Traverse City, it was cloudy with a temperature of 80.
Southeastern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ithaca, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Marion Springs around 2:45 p.m. St. Charles around 3 p.m. Bridgeport around 3:15 p.m. Saginaw and Milwaukee around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Brant, Nelson, Carrollton, Garfield, Fenimore, Berg, Buena Vista Township, Bladen Corners, Swan Creek, and Shiawassee National Wildlife Refuge. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Saginaw, Michigan.
50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny. A 20% chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 426, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Michigan, Bay, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Livingston, Midland, Oakland, Saginaw, Shiawassee, and Tuscola, and the following: Outer Saginaw Bay southwest of Alabaster to Port Austin, Michigan to Inner Saginaw Bay, and Inner Saginaw Bay southwest of Point Aubrey to Bayport, Michigan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper.
Here is the forecast for the The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 3:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gregory, Oregon, 8 miles west of Pinckney, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pinckney around 2:50 p.m. Howell around 3 p.m. Brighton around 3:10 p.m. Heartland around 3:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Parker's Corners, Lakeland, Plainfield, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Chilson, Unadilla, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Conway Township, Helen Tyrrell Township. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
Source, radar indicated.
The National Weather
Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for
thunderstorm warning for Oakland County in southeastern Michigan until 4:15 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brighton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Milford around 3:20 p.m. Novi around 3:25 p.m. West Bloomfield around 3:30 p.m. Pontiac and Birmingham around 3:40 p.m. Troy and Rochester around 3:50 p.m. Sterling Heights around 3:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Eagle Harbor, Waterford, Orchard Lake, Holly State Recreation Area, Commerce, Rose Center, Lazard Village, Auburn Hills, and Bingham Farms. And Festival of Hills keep safe shelter. for immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Oakland, Michigan.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is the area weather helper issued by the National
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shiawassee County in southeastern Michigan, Genesee County in southeastern Michigan until 4:15 p.m.
for the following
At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Minden, Oregon, 7 miles west of Livingston, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar
from the
indicated.
broadcast tower of Central Michigan
Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
broadcast
This severe thunderstorm will be near Fenton around 3:20 p.m. Swartz Creek and Lake Fenton around 3:25 p.m.
is the area
Grand Lake around 3:30 p.m.
weather service.
Flint around 3:35 p.m. Davison, Burton, and Crossroads Village around 3:40 p.m.
Thunderstorm
Otisville around 3:45 p.m.
Thursday
Otter Lake around 3:50 p.m.
as a cold
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Atlas, Thegford Township, Argentine, Rankin, Genesee, and Vernon. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, and Shiawassee.
with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe.
Here is the forecast for the The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Santa Lucia County in southeastern Michigan, Lapeer County in southeastern Michigan, Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, St. Clair County in southeastern Michigan until 4:45 p.m. It's 3:36 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Flint to near Southfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Warren and Hadley around 3:50 p.m. Column-Mineville, Sterling Heights, and Clinton around 3:55 p.m. St. Clair Shores, Mount Clemens, Lapeer, and Macomb Townships around 4 p.m. Orem around 4:05 p.m. New Baltimore and North Branch around 4:10 p.m. Parsons Island around 4:15 p.m. Algonac and Brown City around 4:20 p.m. Marine City and Melbourne around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Shoreville, North Street, Goodland Township, Roseville, Shelby Township, Lynn Township, Amador, Breeze Center, Brockway, and Utica. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Lapeer, Macomb, Santa Lucia, and St. Clair.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions.
A severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ionia County in south-central Michigan, northeastern Barry County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern Clinton County in south-central Michigan, Eden County in south-central Michigan, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ceramic to 10 miles north of Hill Lake, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lansing, Charlotte, Hastings, Eaton Rapids, Portland, Grand Ledge, Potterville, Lake Odessa, Nashville, Freeport, Palamo, Dimondale, Sebwa, Vermontville, Sunfield, Mulligan, Waverly, Woodland, Clarksville, Eagle. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
across the Warren area. Heavy rain has led to flooding on I-96, with road closures reported near Pickney Road. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen, with additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches possible in the Warren area. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Parkland, Howell, Brighton, Fowlerville, Cohocton, Oak Grove, Deerfield Township, Chilson, Tyrone Township, Conway Township, and Parker's Corners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following county: Livingston, Michigan.
This is the area weather outlook issued by the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids, Michigan.
The temperature of the National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a flash flood warning for southern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan, southern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, northern Wayne County in southeastern Michigan until 9 a.m. At 5:41 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Today, some locations that will experience flash flooding include Warren, Livonia, Troy, Southfield, St. Clair Shores, Pontiac, Novi, Mount Clemens, Milford, Ross Point, downtown Detroit, Canton, Detroit, Sterling Heights, Dearborn, Royal Oak, Birmingham, South Lyon, Northville, and Clayton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9 a.m. for the following counties: Michigan, Macomb, Oakland, and Wayne.
10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Friday night, clear. Lows in the
This is an important message.
Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s.
Your thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, northern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, southern Livingston County in southeastern Michigan, Whitmore County in southeastern Michigan until 7:30 a.m. At 6:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cement City, Oregon, 8 miles south of Vandercook Lake, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Manchester around 6:50 a.m., Chelsea around 6:55 a.m., Ann Arbor and Dexter around 7 a.m., Cambridge around 7:05 a.m., Vicksboro and Whitmore Lake around 7:10 a.m., South Lyon and Salem around 7:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, River, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Ridgeway, Valley Mills, Pleasant Lake, Pinckney State Recreation Area, Chilson, Cambridge Junction, and Untilla. People attending Manchester Community Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Monroe, and Washtenaw.
The southeastern side of the state at the moment.
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a flood warning for Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 9 a.m. At 6:43 a.m., radar estimates rainfall totals ranging from 3 to 5 inches fell across the area overnight. Local law enforcement reports ongoing flooding of several roadways across the county, including I-96. Rainfall has ended across the area, but water will be slow to recede this morning. Some locations that will experience flooding include Parkland, Howell, Brighton, Fowlerville, Cohocton, Oak Grove, Deerfield, Township, Chilton, Tyrone Township, Conway Township, and Parker's Corners. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
ECS maps and servers from anywhere, assisting those working from home, and also enabling remote assistance for customers. At remote
The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, Wayne County in southeastern Michigan, southeastern Oakland County in southeastern Michigan, southwestern Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 8:15 a.m. At 7:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ypsilanti, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Romulus around 7:20 a.m. Livonia, Taylor, and Greenfield Village around 7:25 a.m. Southfield, Detroit, Dearborn, and Detroit Zoo around 7:30 a.m. Warren, downtown Detroit, and Belle Isle around 7:35 a.m. Grosse Pointe around 7:40 a.m. St. Clair Shores around 7:45 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Melvindale, Gibraltar, Roseville, New Boston, Rockwood, Harper Woods, Pleasant Ridge, Westwood, Grosse Pointe Shores, and Ecorse. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 a.m. for the following counties in Michigan: Macomb, Monroe, Oakland, and Wayne. This is an important Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a flood warning for the Huron River near Hamburg. From this morning until further notice. At 7:15 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 6.7 feet. Flood stage is 6.5 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Forecast, the river is expected to rise to a crest of 6.9 feet tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service widely at a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the Saginaw Valley. Today, mostly cloudy and becoming partly cloudy late in the morning and becoming tonight, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Winds 10 miles per hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Highs in the low 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. And now the forecast for Monday. Today, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers early in the morning. And mostly sunny in the late morning. Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds around 10 miles per hour shifting to the west in the late morning and afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 60s. West winds up to 10 miles per hour. Friday, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of showers in the morning and mostly sunny in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. And now the remainder of the 7-day forecast for the listening area. Friday night, cooler, clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Northwest winds up to 10 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. North winds up to 5 miles per hour. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows around 60. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning and becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-80s. These are the low weather observations for service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.475. Preceding signal was a test of the public warning alarm system for NOAA All Hazards radio station, KIH-29. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting only the following southeast lower Michigan counties: Genesee, Saginaw, Shiawassee, Lapeer, Tuscola, Bay, Midland, Livingston, Oakland, and Huron. This concludes the test of NOAA weather radio station KIH-29. We now return to the normal broadcast.